Good morning, Professor. I'm Jin Xu, and here is my verb site for my final project. And my goal for this verb site is provide fun science-based dog knowledge to help the dog owners to raise their dog better and to provide them with affordable, high-quality dog goods. And first, let me introduce my navigation. I have a fixed position navigation to at the top of my page, and at the bottom is easy navigation to quickly help users to jump to the page they want to go. And I creatively used a scroll up effect in the top navigation, which inspired by one YouTube video. And when I scroll up, you can see the transparent navigation bar become a gray fixed navigation. I also used hamburger navigation to adapt to mobile and tablet views. When the screen size is smaller than 600 pixels, my navigation will collapse into a hamburger icon, which can be clicked down to see all the navigation keys corresponding to the current and to make it easy for users to know the current page they are on, the navigation keys corresponding to the current page of my top navigation will turn blue. I really like it. And this is my home page. First part is my mission. And this is all my function of this verb page you can reach. Its transition. And I put 2 hot topics on my home page. If you interested in that, you can click them more to see it. And the last part of my homepage is healthcare solution. And I put a table here to show all the solutions. And my homepage is responsive. Include my table. And next is my library page. I put a search bar on the top of this page, and you can give it the text to search whatever information you want to know. And this is top 3 hot topics I put here, and I really like the transition here. It's interesting. And next is my shop. I put a lot of clickable button here. You can click anytime to buy anything. And this is 2 category, one of which is hot goods and another is limited goods. You can click to see more details about it. And this is my category. You can buy dog food, snacks, traction rope, dog toys here. And last part is the latest product. I select some products that are latest and in the lower price. As you can see, if I put my mouse over the picture, it will show 3 icons. If you want to add the products to your account, you can click here. If you want to share with your friend, you can click here. If you want to click the like it and compare with other products later, you can click the button here. And last I put a countdown here. It's a number still because I don't figure out what the JavaScript, how to write it. And this is my about page. First, I put a gallery of my team here. And here is the clickable row text. If you click the text, it will show details. And if you put other text, it will scroll up. And here's a little video about how the human can get along with a dog. It's also responsive, and responsive. I think the difficult part for me about this website is the div. The div I created was very wide by default. Even if I set the width for it, I still didn't change the width of this div. I don't know why. And many of my designer needs to use this div to create a box or something else, so it was a headache problem for me. For this problem, sometimes I find that the div can shrink because of the size of elements in the div, but sometimes it's a problem with the body setting, and sometimes it's because I override the width set by the middle query. All in all, the problem can be solved by very many reasons, so it's difficult to me. And I think the most interesting part is this part. I thought it's difficult original, but at last I found that I just need to add a active to this piece of code and write a little JavaScript to change the class to the active class. It will enlarge this item's height so it will show up. That's all my presentation. Thank you.